Hi, it's Jason at Jordanbikes. They've got for you BMW R1200RS, and this is the Sport SE model, so this is the top of the range. It's got the exclusive style pack on it as well, so you get the exclusive colouring, the silver grey and the black, and these winglets, we'll call them winglets, MotoGP inspired winglets there. You also get adjustable screen. It's a nice big dark screen, just a slight tug, and it comes up and down from there. And then you get the LED running light that you can see there, and then automatic headlights turn on and off, and you can change different displays. I'll show you that in a second when we come to the main display. You get electronic suspension, you get power modes, you've got sat-nav prep, cruise control, heated grips. Just a fantastic tour of these, and they really do handle. They're a brilliant bike. So you can see on the display there it says Style 2, and then if I change that to Style 0, you can have a big rev counter. Style 1, and then Style 2 gives you a big digital speedo, so you can tailor it how you want it from there. It's got the top box on there as well, and lovely boxer engine, liquid cooled, so silky smooth and mega powerful. They're a brilliant all-round bike of these. Facts and figures: 2015 on a 15 plate, only done 7,059 miles. You'll find a lot for sale have done a load more mileage and they're a load more money. So this is really, really well priced as this. We'll give it a start for you. And that has literally just rolled out the workshop after a fresh oil and filter change, so it is ready to go. So come on down to Jordanbikes and take a look for yourself, or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick, and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.